Hi girls and guys, I just wanted to show you my newest project, which is a web-based podcast client called Cybercast, because it looks like cyberspace. And right now it's pretty boring because I'm not subscribed to any podcast, but I will change that by going to the Net Search tab, where I can look for stuff. Let's say I want to listen to true crime and I know there's a podcast like Serial. Okay, I will add this to my database. I'm a tech guy, so I want to listen to some tech podcasts. Twit, for example, Vergecast. There it is. I need some Star Wars stuff. Yeah. Rebel Force Radio. And there's a German Star Wars podcast called Radio Tatooine. You can manually put the RSS feed into the search field and magic will happen. There it is. So, all right. They're here. Rebel Force Radio, This Week in Tech, Vergecast, Serial, and Radio Tatooine, which doesn't have a nice preview picture, but yeah. So I can go into the podcasts and listen to an episode.
Hey there, I'm your friend David Pierce, and I am about to play you another episode of our new show, Version History.
I can control the volume, of course. I can control the playback speed. 1 times speed, 1.25 times speed, 1.5 speed, and 2 times speed. I have a listening queue. So I can click on here or here, and I can add episodes to the queue. I can rearrange the queue. I can sort the feed by latest or oldest. So story podcasts can be listened to in the right order. What if you want to listen to several podcasts from a specific spectrum the whole night? Yeah, you create a station. I create a station for tech. It's empty right now because there are no podcasts attached to it. I can do this by being in the station and click on Config Sources. Or I could go into my library and click this little button here, the station button, and put this podcast into my tech station. So when I'm opening my tech station, there are all the episodes of the podcasts I put into my tech station. So meanwhile, I've created another station called True Crim, and I've added several podcasts into it. So I mistyped and I want to correct my error. I just go to this pencil symbol and can rename my station, and that's it. For now, I don't have any user management. So this stuff will all save into your local storage of your browser. So if you just close the tab and reopen it the next day, everything should be fine. There is a backup and import function already. So I just can save all my settings, and if I open my website in a new browser, it's empty because it's fresh, I can go to System, I can import my old file, my save file, and there they are. My text stations, my library, and the playing status. It might be 30 seconds behind, depending on the point you save. For now, it's working so far, and I'm happy to show it to you. If you like this, ask me for a link and I will send it to you. Right now, it's an alpha version I just use for personal testing. Send me your feature requests. I don't know if I can implement them, but I will do what I can. And in the meantime, you can play some of my games on Ben's Cyberpunk Arcade. No. I'm too stupid for my own games. A little cyberpunk pet you can care for all day long. And there is Ben's terminal effects, which turns every image you throw at it into retro glory.